Scene script. Welcome to GW Stefani channel, the heart of nature's kitchen. Today we're exploring the incredible benefits of natural foods, a treasure trove of nourishment that Mother Earth offers us. Join us as we delve into the world where every bite is a step towards better health. Let's begin at the farmer's market, where the color and vibrancy of whole foods come to life. Whole foods are those that remain unprocessed and unrefined, or processed and refined as little as possible before being consumed. These foods are packed with essential nutrients. For example, apples are rich in fiber and vitamin C, while almonds are a great source of healthy fats and protein. The benefits? From improved digestion to enhanced heart health, whole foods are nature's answer to a multitude of health concerns. Have you ever wondered why people say, "You are what you eat"? It's because our bodies extract nutrients from the food we eat to support our health and well-being. And when it comes to a treasure trove of these essential nutrients, nothing beats whole foods. From the crunch of a fresh apple to the soft bite of a ripe tomato, the world of whole foods is a vibrant palette of tastes and textures. But beyond their delightful flavors, whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts offer a wealth of health benefits. Consider the humble apple, for instance. This everyday fruit is a powerhouse of dietary fiber and vitamin C. The fiber aids digestion, making you feel fuller for longer, while vitamin C boosts your immune system, helping you ward off common illnesses. Or take almonds, those crunchy little nuggets of goodness. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. Regular consumption of almonds can help lower bad cholesterol levels, keeping your heart healthy and robust. And let's not forget about whole grains. From oats and brown rice to quinoa and barley, these foods are rich in dietary fiber and B vitamins. They aid digestion, help maintain healthy blood sugar levels, and can even reduce the risk of heart disease. So the next time you're planning your meals, remember to include a variety of whole foods. Not only will you enjoy a symphony of natural flavors, but your body will also thank you for the health-boosting nutrients. Whole foods are nature's answer to a multitude of health concerns. Choose them for a healthier lifestyle. And remember, you truly are what you eat, so make every bite count. From the vibrant farmer's market, we now zoom into the tiny yet mighty berries. These small fruits are giants when it comes to antioxidants. What are antioxidants, you ask? Well, they're substances that can prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that the body produces as a reaction to environmental and other pressures. Berries, with their high antioxidant content, are the superheroes of the fruit world, battling these free radicals and helping to maintain a healthy balance within our bodies. They're just like the little shields, protecting our cells from the potential harm that these free radicals can cause. Now you might wonder, what's the big deal about these antioxidants? Here's the scoop. Antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lead to a host of diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and many others. So when we consume a diet rich in antioxidants, we're essentially helping our bodies to fight off these potential diseases. And the best part? Berries are not just health warriors, they're also delicious. Whether you're munching on a handful of blueberries, enjoying a strawberry smoothie, or sprinkling raspberries on your cereal, you're giving your body a delicious dose of health-boosting antioxidants. So next time you're at the supermarket, don't forget to pick up a mix of these colorful, antioxidant-packed fruits. A bowl of mixed berries not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also acts as a shield for your health. Moving on to the emeralds of the food world, leafy greens. They are the epitome of health, not just for their vibrant color, but for the wealth of nutrients they pack in every bite. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are incredibly low in calories, making them an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. But their nutritional prowess doesn't stop there. These greens are bursting with vitamins A, C, E, and K. Vitamin A supports good vision and a healthy immune system. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in the growth and repair of tissues, while vitamin E helps protect our cells from damage. And vitamin K, it's essential for blood clotting and healthy bones. But there's more. These leafy gems are also rich in essential minerals such as iron, which is vital for making the oxygen-carrying proteins hemoglobin and myoglobin, and calcium, the building block for our bones and teeth. The benefits of consuming these greens are multifold. They can boost eye health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain cancers, and even support mental health. They are a staple in many healthy diets, and for a good reason. Incorporating these greens into your diet can do wonders for your health. So the next time you're deciding on what to have for breakfast, why not consider a green smoothie? It's a delicious and easy way to get a head start on your daily nutrient intake. Now, let's shift our focus to the unsung heroes of a nutritious diet, whole grains. These humble seeds of grass-like plants are more than just the stuff of bread and cereal. They're tiny treasure chests brimming with nutrition. Unlike their refined counterparts, whole grains retain all three parts of the grain kernel: the bran, germ, and endosperm. This is where the magic happens. The bran is rich in fiber, the germ is packed with essential nutrients, and the endosperm provides energy-giving carbohydrates. Whole grains are a dietary triple threat. They offer an array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're also a fantastic source of dietary fiber, a non-negotiable for a happy digestive system. But the wonders of whole grains don't stop at your gut. Studies suggest that a diet rich in whole grains can lower the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. From oats that can lower your cholesterol, to brown rice that can help stabilize blood sugar levels, to heart-healthy barley, each whole grain brings something special to the table. And let's not forget quinoa, a complete protein and a boon for vegans and vegetarians. Whole grains are a powerhouse of nutrients. Make them a staple in your diet for robust health. Protein is an essential nutrient, and while meat is a well-known source, today we're going to talk about plant-based proteins. When you hear the term plant-based proteins, think of power-packed foods like legumes, nuts, seeds, and soy products. These aren't just your ordinary foods, they're nutritional dynamos. Let's start with legumes, a family of powerhouses that includes lentils, chickpeas, and beans. They're not just protein-rich, but also brimming with fiber, a nutrient known to support digestive health. Now onto nuts and seeds: almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, to name a few. They're not only great sources of protein, but also packed with heart-healthy fats. Next up, soy products like tofu and tempeh. They are complete proteins, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. Plus, they're rich in iron and calcium. These plant-based proteins are like nature's multitaskers. They contribute to muscle repair and growth, just like any good protein source should. But they also bring along a host of other benefits, such as better heart health and weight management. So, whether you're a vegetarian, vegan, flexitarian, or just someone looking to add variety to your diet, these plant-based proteins have got you covered. They're not just alternatives to meat, they're strong contenders in their own right. Plant-based proteins are a fantastic addition to any diet. Embrace them for a balanced and nutritious lifestyle. Staying hydrated is crucial for our health, my friends, and nature offers us some delicious solutions. Fruits and vegetables like cucumbers, celery, watermelon, and oranges are high in water content. They help keep our body hydrated, aiding in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even skin health. As we've seen, nature's pantry is full of nourishing and healing foods. By choosing natural whole foods, we not only benefit our health but also support sustainable practices that care for our planet. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to feed your body with the best of what nature has to offer. Until next time, embrace the bounty of nature and let food be your medicine. Thank you for joining us on this delicious journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more insights into healthy living. Stay well and nourished.